Hi, welcome to the McSherryStudio. Please don't forget to click the like button and also the subscribe button, and you will get notifications of all the new painting videos that I put up on this YouTube channel. If you like the paintings that are done in these demonstrations, you can always acquire one, and you can do that from my website, McSherryStudio.com, and there's a link in the description below. The like and subscribe buttons are just below this video on the right hand side. Otherwise, paint oils, paint small, and paint often.